Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor on this very special live stream, and quite a short one too. We're going to show you how you can always win. I always win. These are my trades. These are my positions upgraded this morning. Another 5 lots, another 5 wins. We always win. We always get it done. I'm now going to show you how you can always win. You can choose to be afraid. You can choose to read nonsense and be in doom and gloom and be a troll and be a fool, or you can choose to always win. To win takes discipline, it takes strength, it takes an understanding, an education, and a willingness to listen. Those that shut themselves off or are afraid or quote silly phrases from YouTube channels like "go to the moon," they always will eventually lose. What we do here is bring you value. We always provide value. All our services are the most inexpensive of any channel on YouTube TV and Discord. They all are. They never go up in price. There's no inflation. Don't need to be. Why? Because I make too much money just investing and always winning. So let me show you the trades and then I'll tell you how you can always win. As you can see, I'm up a silly amount of money today and I've been selling. My Electra members know exactly where my trades are. We don't post it public, and so do my Discordians. We don't want to be front run, and we don't want to give ammunition to the fools, the idiots, the trolls and the bots, and just basically sad individuals that have nothing else left to offer. It's all kept in Electrum and Discordians. And if you are winning today, Electrum members, if you are winning today, Discordians, say yes in the chat or no. Let the world see if you are winning or perhaps you've lost today. Yes or no. If you are a Discordian or Electrum, light up the chat. Copy and paste, spam the hell out of it, annoy the hell out of all the moaners, doom and gloom and trolls, and tell them, are you up today? Are you winning again today on your lots? Yes or no? They'll say, of course, that I bullied you into saying yes, but of course, that's what stupid people do. So there you go. Yes or no? Are you all winning today? I think I know the answer. What about my Roth IRA? Have you ever seen that amount of money in a day on the Roth IRA? On my Roth IRA, there's only $56,000 in it. And I'm up 7 grand. I'm up 16%. It's mental. Look how much money we've made. Tax-free, that is, by the way. That's insane. Anyway, we've trimmed, we've sold, we're winning, we bought the bottom. Let me tell you something now and share it with you. It's not going to be a long stream because I've got lots of research to do to bring you a very important event this afternoon. I've got some phone calls to make. I've got some friends at Bank of America, Robinhood, Ripple, a White House press room contact, a ton of CEOs, a very tight circle. And some of that last night was shared with my special Discordians on a very private special event last night inside Discord. We had a live video call last night and we shared some very personal stuff. If you were there last night in Discord and you shared some very personal special stories, say yes in the chat or no, I missed it. I'll be there next time. We got a special guest.
At its time where the people tipped $5 through Super Chat. Happy Friday. May God's grace be with you all. Martyn, thank you for your continued dedication.
It's my absolute pleasure. I'm going to share something from you now. I'm going to read something from the Bible, the financial Bible, my ethic in work and how I always win. Who dares wins? If you don't know what that is, that's the SAS logo. I may have told you my brother trained with the SAS and I had some military experience as well, done lots of military exercises, all kind of stuff. So I have a disciplined approach and a military background. But let me share something with you and then we'll get into the trades and how you always win. So take some time and pay attention sit back, relax, and take this in. You need to take this in. Are you ready? Here's my Bible. And this is aimed at all the trolls and the bots and the silly fools who have nothing better to do than be parasites and annoying. And they must be absolutely crying in their soup this morning. This is the Bible, and this is how you always win. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. They don't know what they don't know, do they? If you can wait and not be tired by waiting. I will never get tired. I never give up. I'm not going anywhere. The first channel to 1 billion. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about. Oh, lots of that. Lots of that. Don't deal in lies. Last night in Discord, it was shared some of the most personal, intimate stories of my life. You checked it, you verified it, you understood it. This is important. We don't deal in lies. Everything here is factual. Or being hated. Don't give way to hating. Any of you are successful, people come after you and say all kinds of stuff, but don't give way to hating. Just keep on winning. Use it as fuel. And yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise. We talked about being humble last night on Discord. Very important. We went deep into the stories of how I booked the Blackpool Grand and the London Palladium, the most famous theatres in the world. And we talked about being humble. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, do not be a dreamer. Contemplate it for a while, but always focus on winning and getting it done. That's a very important one. If you can think and not make thoughts your aim. Actions. If you can meet with triumph and disaster. Oh yeah, we can face the pain and we can also celebrate the wins. And treat those two imposters just the same. We do. We engage with our fools, our trolls and our bots. You all know about it. They take the greatest pain to destroy us. We're still here. I've got friends all the way at the top and we're still here. You know what I'm talking about. There'll be more of that later today. If you can bear to hear the truth you've spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools. If you can bear to hear the truth you've spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools. Very important. I could give you loads of examples. Or watch the things you gave your life to broken. They try to break you, the things you built, but they never will. And stoop and build them up with worn out tools. Keep on going. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss, we can take risk because we understand the risk. It's not a gamble. We never lose. An example of that was Google and XRP the last couple of days. Many of you said, oh my God, it's a gamble. What is he doing? 160 grand. Like that on Google. Didn't blink an eye. And then another 15. Boom. Just like that. Didn't blink an eye. So if you can do that and lose and start again at your beginnings and never breathe a word about your loss, if you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your long after they are gone. And remember, the fools, the trolls, the nonsense, they don't even exist. There's a famous quote once said, I think it was, what's his name now? Leonardo DiCaprio at the end of in the credits of Gangs of New York, how they fought in the streets, all the nonsense and the noise and the pain. And then New York grew up and it was like we were never even here. People of consequence and people who succeed will be remembered because they will pass on information to those that grow with it. Those, of course, that just talk nonsense and always lose, they were never relevant in the first place. And the moment they pass away or disappear, they'll be forgotten in a second because no one cared they were there in the first place. To serve your turn long after they're gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. Hold on, never give up, always win. Base it upon facts. That's all you've got to do is keep walking forward and winning. Never give up. It's not how hard you punch. It's about the punches that you take. You'll always take more because you are stronger. Know you're stronger. Know what you know is based upon facts, education, and discipline. If you can walk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch. I have done that. I have entertained crowds in Africa. I've entertained royalty. I've entertained pop stars, film stars in their houses. And it's always the same deal. If neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you, but none too much, how large and powerful is our army on Discord and on YouTube? 98% of our live viewers are members, higher than any other channel in the world. Engagement rate, 4.5 hours average watch time per day. Netflix, you got no chance. If all men count with you, but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run. What does that mean? Value, always value. Every second, every nuance, every phrase, every breath is to serve others and be useful, not to be an empty vessel. My parents said, empty vessels make the most noise. Oh my God, isn't that the truth? If you always move forward, you always win. With 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, everything. And which is more, you will be a man, my son. There it is, by Rudyard Kipling. This has been the Bible of my family for generations. Always win, always get it done. So, now we've got that out of the way. As you can see, we're making more money than we have the right to. We're making stupid amounts of money. Why? Because we bought value. We understand what we're doing. We don't focus on X and YouTube and silly nonsense that people spurt out to make themselves feel important. Remember, I built this YouTube channel after I made my fame and fortune around the world as the World Piano Man, and lots of that was shared with my Discordians privately last night. There'll be much more deep, private stories shared to my inner circle on Discord in the coming weeks and months. Much, much more to share with you from my time investing with Barclays Bank, from my life of dealing with royalty and celebrities and very powerful people. I will share with you the inside stories of many, many things over periods of time. We've got to build up an army of trust, first of all, and I asked everyone last night to respect that. So, there we go. Look how much money we've made today. Now, I'm not going to share my trades here with you. It's all been shared on Discord and Electrum. Why? Because we don't want anyone front-running us, shorting us, and going against us. And I don't mean the trolls and bots. They're irrelevant. I'm on about the power that can. That's the AI super centers, the high-frequency traders. They follow what we do, and it's very, very important. So we're not sharing that, but we will share it on Discord and Electrum. Now, this is going to be a brief show this morning because I have to get on and make some phone calls, very important phone calls about some upcoming events that I want to do. Got some CEO interviews, people that want to be on the show and all the rest of it. But I will give you a few things here, and I'd like to invite you to a few special events.
I can't believe this.
Oh, thank you. A new member to Electrum.
Defense
Thank you.
89 has become a member.
Thank you. I will, in a moment, answer all questions. We answer all members, all questions. So everybody has, no one gets left behind, and everybody is taken care of. So I'm going to end this poll, first of all, at the top. It says, are you a winner today with the Lucasades, Electrums, and or the Discordians? 56% of you are members of Discord and Electrum. Here today, and you are saying, yes, you have won. Of course you've won. We always win. No, 21%. Those are the ones that aren't an Electrum members and they aren't in Discord. However, this is what I like more importantly. I will be next time. 22% of you have gone, sod this. I'm sick of listening to the nonsense. Next time I will win. Let's end the poll. Now, I'm also running this poll on Google, asking the same question. I'd like you to very quickly vote in this because this ranks on Google, not just YouTube, and the world will see what we are doing here, trying to help real hard-working citizens, good people, to win and not be brought down by negativity and nonsense in the world. Nobody needs it. Doesn't serve any purpose other than making idiots just celebrate their idiocy. Let's have a look. What have we got here? So in my poll this morning, I gave it you 5 seconds ago. Oh my God, that was quick. 110 votes. 69% of you are winning, 28% no, and 3% will be next time. So these are the members. So you can see everybody's winning, and a few that aren't will be next time. Maybe the no's might decide to join us. So thank you very much for taking the time to vote on that. Now then, a few things that you need before I go. Let's quickly talk about XRP and Google. Now, I surprised a few people this morning by, I'm not going to give the details, but trimming one of my lots on Google. We took some money this morning. Special guest. Let me read this.
At Diesel_Ada tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. XRP up 13%. Thank you for everything.
Yeah.
Concert tonight.
Yeah. That's nothing, though. Absolutely nothing. When we go to $5, imagine where you'll be then. I'll be nearly a millionaire with the position I've got. But anyway, it surprised a few people this morning. I will share a bit of information here. I did trim my lower lots. I won't tell you what price. That's for my Discord and Electrum members. Another new member. Thank you.
Has become a member.
Thank you. I trimmed my lower lots. Now, when I bought this, a few people said it's a gamble. It's not a gamble. Warren Buffett has just bought Google. He's the biggest, got the biggest position in Google. I know the business. I understand the business. So I was very happy to put up to $1 million on Google. I decided to put 160,000 with another 15, 20 grand thrown into nearly 180 grand. I trimmed my lower lots. I made myself quite a bit of money. It was shared on Discord and Electrum this morning. The reason is, as you can see, it's heading down. I've got 160 grand still in it. Now, I don't mind that because I want to own the business. I'm not bothered. The market can crash 40%. Doesn't matter. The amount of money I've made, I can just buy more. It doesn't matter. I own the business. The idea was a quick scalp trade. That didn't happen, but I never buy anything that I can't own forever. So I bought it anyway, regardless. Doesn't matter. But now you can see why I trimmed. Never be afraid to sell. That's why lots are powerful. Most people do not understand lots. If you hadn't had a lot, I would have looked at that and gone, my average is up $200. What it meant was the higher lots are out by thousands. Welcome, new member.
Artisan Jigsaw has become a member.
When we get a new member with all my Discordians and Electrums, welcome our new member in. Ask them where they're from. We want to get to know them. This is where our moderators come from, our inner circle ambassadors around the world promoting the channel. So we want to get to know all our members. Please welcome them all in. So this can go a lot lower before it goes higher because we are going to get a major crash. We've only had a small correction. But I don't mind buying a great business. Doesn't matter. The money I've made, I can afford to buy it and then catch it and double it on the way down and using lots. Most people don't understand tax lots. They miss it out completely. But as you can see, it was the right thing to do. If I'd sold the average and I'd been up by a couple $100, I would have lost thousands. I would have gained on the lower lots, lost on the bigger lots, but told myself I'm up on my average. That is stupid. That's what idiots do. We don't do that, so we don't mind selling our lots, the lower lots, to make money. As you can see, it's going down. That's all I'm going to say on Google. The lots are all private on Discord and Electrum. Let's go and look at XRP now. Okay.
A Defense 89 tipped $2 Canadian through Super Chat. When do you know it's time to sell?
Well, that's easy. That's easy. Easy. First of all, I would suggest that you join us for a members-only event later today. We'll do some Electrum members events so I can answer all questions in full context. I will do a live video link up so you can call in. We'll also have Discord events privately for the Discordians where you can phone in and call in and I'll explain it. But it's a very complex subject. First of all, you've got to have balance of your portfolio. Are you always winning? What's your tax position? What's your ultimate aim? If you buy at the bottom, remember what the idea is not to win. That confuses people. It's not about making profit. Focus on the value. Same as doing this show, value. What we're trying to do is buy the bottom, never sell the top. People are afraid. They don't sell, they don't buy when it goes down, they sell. They get liquidated because they over leverage, and I end up buying all their stocks and crypto off them for free when they're literally losing all their money. I do that all the time. It's hilarious. Whenever there's a mass liquidation, I just buy everything. And I just basically take it off everybody. It's crazy. It's so easy. Knowing the top is not important. You're focusing on when to sell, right? Focus on the balance, bringing your portfolio back into balance. What you're trying to do is own the bottom. Forget the top. Let everybody else worry about the top. Let everybody else buy. They're all buying like idiots today. What they do, they're making money for me. They're not making any money. Anyone who buys today is giving me their money. Because on the way up, I'm using lots and just selling it. Taking it all out. Boom. I've got some massive lots. Nearly 100 grand of XRP set. A few cents up from where we are now. I'm not going to tell you. That's for Electrum. Boom. Straight back down again. Boom. And there'll be no tax on that either. There'll be no profit on that. Just a good, solid tax lot at zero. And I'll be keeping everything I bought at 116. You saw me double up. I've got a ton of XRP at 116. I don't need XRP at 150, 60, 70, 80, 90. I can sell all of that. I don't care if it's the top. Remember, I'm not trying to get a profit or time the top. What I'm trying to do is buy the bottom and keep it. That's what I'm doing. Too many people, I've noticed this, especially in America, nobody wants to build anything. They want to sell something, all right? Houses are built rubbish. Houses are built cheap to flip. My house in England and the way craftsmen work, they build castles forever. They want a house to last forever. I never want to replace my roof on my house. In America, every few years they replace the roofs. They build it cheap. Build the foundations. Don't worry about the roof. Special guest.
At Mike Mealy 4116 tipped $5 through Super Chat. Good morning, Martin. I'm up big today due to the philosophy you teach every day. Bought XRP at $1.18 yesterday. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You nearly got the bottom. I beat you there, but that's okay. I got 116. I thought about $20,000, something like that. So that's all I need. Because if I've got $20,000 at 116 and it goes to 5, bloody hell. I mean, what's that? 100 grand, 120. I mean, what's 120 grand? I mean, what the hell is that's ridiculous, right? Easy. So there's XRP. Now, it gets a little bit Exciting now, because now we're going to talk about XRP tax-free. What? Even more money? Yep, even more money. Ready for this? Here we go. Let's go into my Roth IRA. Oh, that's embarrassing. Look at that. That's going to annoy the trolls. Look at that. Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear. They're not going to like that. 9 grand up in one day on $58,000. How the bloody hell did he do that? I bet he used options. No options. I bet he's short in the market. Never short the market. Damn it. I thought I'd exposed him. Oh, dear. 9,000 in one day? What the hell's that all about? Well, I decided to buy some XRP tax-free. You can't buy XRP on your Roth IRA. Oh, yes, you can. But which one? And how? And why? That's the question. Got to be careful. If you buy the wrong ETF, you're buggered. You can't buy it when it moves after hours and through the night. Some ETFs don't have that volatility. They don't have that liquidity. They only trade for the main trading hours. You don't want that one. You want this one. This is the one that I bought. Do your research. XRP. Look at that in my Roth IRA. Hang on a minute. How could you have XRP in your Roth IRA? You can't buy crypto in your Roth IRA. Martyn's scamming it again. He's got... I
can't believe
I can believe it. More members this morning. If you've just been given a membership from the dear 1970 Buckley, do yourself a favor and take advantage of a 27% discount and upgrade to Electrum right now. She's bought you a bronze membership. If you upgrade to Electrum right now, you will win. You will know all my trades. You will see what I'm doing every day. You can be a winner like everybody else. You've been given a bronze membership. If you do nothing with it, all you've done is give me a tip, because I've earned $2.99 less taxes and YouTube commission. But if you go, well, that's nice, 1970 Buckley, she's one of our members, one of our viewers, she's bought me a membership, I can now, for a couple of bucks, get Electrum, see all the trades, see everything that's going on, all the special events. Bloody hell, you might as well. 27% discount because of 1970 Buckley. So let's go back to XRP. I didn't think you could buy it on Roth IRA. Bitwise XRP ETF. This is the ETF you have to buy. Why this one? Well, if you buy the other one, the XRPX, you can't trade 24/7, 5 days a week. You can't take advantage. Oh, well, it's got a slightly less expense ratio. This does not matter on crypto. Well, you've always said the lowest expense ratio on the S&P 500. When you make average 10% a year, remember, some years nothing. But on a crypto where you can make 100% in a day, who the hell cares? Between 0.25 and 0.35. Get XRP Bitwise. That way, trade 24/7, 5 days a week. Now, this is going to surprise you because I've made so much money. Why did you sell? Oh, my God.
Laura Woodruff has become a member.
Let me show you. Look what I did. In fact, I can't show you the trades. You can see I'm up $1,800 in one day, just on that one trade, right? I'm not giving you any more than that because the Electrum members will go, hang on a minute, we pay $2.99 for this. Yeah, exactly. 90% discount, by the way. I don't make money out of my services. I make money out of trading. Who does that on YouTube? No one. Oh, buy my training course for $1,000 a month. But don't ask me what I've got, because that way I can just make money out of you sending me money. What I do is I provide it at the cheapest price so everyone wins, and then I make money investing, just enough to keep the idiots out. Because the idiots go, I'm not giving Martyn Lucas $2 a month. I don't want to know. They won't do it, right? I mean, 99 cents on the extra channel. Not one single troll. It's amazing. Anyway, because they haven't got 99 cents. Right, so what I did, and I'm not going to show you, I trimmed. Why? Because look, come on, get real. 44% of my portfolio is XRP in my Roth IRA. Well, that's a bit crazy. Should be 5%, right? So of course I've sold. Of course I've trimmed. Tax-free anyway. So I've taken some money off the top, but now I own XRP tax-free at the bottom, potentially, but now I've got a ton of money to buy if it goes even lower. Bring it on. Let XRP go to 50 cents and I'll do it again. Come on, I dare you. Everybody short XRP. Everybody sell it. Everybody over leverage. Go on. I ask you to do it. Do it so I can buy it all half price. Do it again. So what I've done now is all my money has gone in escrow.
I can't believe this.
Look at that. $30,000.
Q has become a member.
Oh, Mike's done it. He's upgraded. Very, very wise decision. Thank you, Mike. I'll explain it in a minute what you get. So now I've got $30,000. This is the profit I made this morning. In SGov, Treasury bills, tax-free. Remember, you make no interest in your Roth IRA. Hello, me over here. I'm making 3.8% profit on my SGov. Tax-free, risk-free, 100% guaranteed, can't lose. I'm lending the government money. I like financing the government. We all like lending the government money. So 30 grand making 3.8 or thereabouts. Let's have a look exactly. What is it? What is it exactly? Oh my God. Sorry, 3.58. I beg your pardon. 3.58. Doing nothing. No risk, no stress. I don't give a damn if XRP goes to 1 cent. I'm still going to win because the money I've got in there now is making me money, guaranteed, 100%, 30 grand. So my Roth IRA looks like that. 9 grand up in 1 day. Do you want to see how this works as well? You're going to laugh at this, right? Every year on New Year's Eve at midnight, I put all my money, I use my brokerage money to transfer to the Roth IRA. Got some big news, by the way. Everyone in England can do this now as well. What? Did he say everyone in England doing it as well? Yep. Hold on. There's my Robinhood USA, free shares, 3% match, 3% cashback. There it is. I've given you the link. Everyone in the USA, do it now. If you don't do it now, you're stupid. He keeps calling people stupid. Well, if you don't do it, you're stupid. If you're in the UK, here it is. Robinhood UK has got ISAs. Woohoo! You get a match in the UK as well. Guess what I'm doing? Little word here. I'm selling my Robinhood UK. Got $5,000 because I made that on Coca-Cola. I'm selling it below the tax threshold because it's all I've earned in the UK because I live in America. And I'm going to send it to my Lloyd's account in England because remember, there's nothing in the bank. It's all in Robinhood. And then I'm going to bring it back into the ISA on Robinhood UK, get a match. I think it's 2%, 2 or 3. I think it's 2. What? Free money? What? And now I can trade for free, tax free? What? What's going on? I thought I'd share that with you. Anyway, so every year we get 3%. Boom. 258 this year. Last year, free money, 240. Boom. Last year, 240. 2023, boom. 225. What about 2022? Boom. 240. Sorry, 204. Bloody hell, we like that. What? Free money everywhere. Yeah. So with only $8,000 a year that I'm able to put in my Roth IRA, I'm up 8 grand today, but look at this. This will annoy you. Look at this. Look at that for a profit. Look at that. 48%. What the bloody hell's going on? That's ridiculous. Yep, there it is. 18 grand just in the Roth IRA. And now I'm earning 4% doing absolutely nothing. So there you go. Let's come back to here.
At Diesel_Ada tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. Smash the bloody like button. Fafo.
Yes, that's right. That is right. All the FAFO items sold out, by the way. All the hats, around, out, and off. Yeah, you know, we've been under attack, and that's just about come to an end now, and we're still here. Anyway, yeah, so we brought out a range of merchandise to celebrate all the idiots around, about, and off. Yeah, and here we are. So thank you for reminding me. Yeah, that's sold out, by the way. You can't buy any more of those. They're all gone. You had your chips, you had your discount, and they're all gone. Anyway, let me now focus back on to the main account. So we've just trimmed. I'm going to wrap this up now because I've got a lot of research to do and phone calls to make and stuff like that. So what we're going to do is give you all the things you need. First of all, we're going to celebrate tonight. We're going to the pub tonight. We're going to the pub tonight, so click on this right now. I'm only going to show you once right now. I'm not going to show you again. A special party tonight. The first 100 people in get a bit of a treat. We're going to celebrate XRP and all the winnings tonight. We're going to the pub. Click on that link right now. I'm going to hide it in a second. You won't see it again. All right, there you go. Click the like button when you get there. Click the like button. Oh, look at that. Little musical note. Look at that. Didn't see that. Anyway, that's nice. Go there, and if you want to go and pick a request, a bit of surprise tonight, bit of a surprise in the party tonight. There you go. Vaz is already there. Go and click notification to make sure that you've got notification you turned on. All right? It's a separate channel. It's the music channel, so you might need to subscribe to it. It's a separate event. This is live tonight in the pub. We're having a party, and we're going to really pump up XRP tonight. What? What? Is he going to pump up XRP live on the show to the world? We might sing this. XRP, always believing. We might do that and see what we can do. We've done it before. We'll do it again. So if you want to be part of a big party tonight, one last time, I'm not going to show you the link again. If you've not paid attention, too late. That's it. You ready? There it is in the chat right now. Bookmark it now or never see it again. Boom, it's gone. I'm going to close the window. You won't know about it. Right, that's it. That's the first thing. Did you all tap the like button? I can't believe only 149 did. What's wrong with you? Have you all subscribed? Should we have a quick look at our subscribers today? And I'm going to give you all the good stuff now. Stand by. Look at XRP. Up she blows. Up she blows. Why is my portfolio going down a little bit? That is the Google. Now you know why I trimmed. Oh, but he's going to lose money. He's got 160 grand left. No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. That 160 grand can sit there. I don't care a monkey's bum about that. Oh, come on, come on. We got some big orders coming through in a minute. Oh, we're going to make some money. Right, look at this. Subscribers, 111,342. Anybody else? Any more for any more? Any more for any more? We're nearly to... We're on target for our 500,000 this year, by the way, and 1 million next year and 1 billion in 13 years. We're on target for all of that. So it's going to be amazing, right? Anyway, there you go. Thank you for... Can one person do it? Can one person do it so it moves? Go on. One person do it. Because I had a dream when I was younger, and it was, I've always dreamt about being a YouTuber with 111,343, because then I'm enough. Then I'm enough. And we did it. We did it. Let's give a round of applause to whoever did that. I love it. Thank you very much. We appreciate you a lot. All right, good stuff. So you got that. You know that. Right, you know about the party tonight. Fantastic. What we're going to do now is we are going to do a special, very private event on Discord. Okay, Electrum members, you're invited as well. Please come along. I'll post information Discord in Electrum. So let me give you all the information, what you need. If you want to follow me on X and Instagram and you want to know what's going on, there is the link. I'm only going to put it once. Have you got it? Right. Are you ready? I'm going to do a 90% discount for Discord. Only 5 I will onboard now in the show. That's it. We are approaching maximum supply. I can't provide a personal one-on-one service for millions of people. So if you want Discord right now, 90% discount, $2.99. I will onboard the next 5 people. I will accept your friend request, welcome you to the inner circle. That's it. 5 and 5 alone. We'll do it live now on the show. There is Discord. When you go in, you'll get bots and trolls and idiots say, I'm Martyn Lucas, ban them, block them. I never send friend requests. The bigger we get, the more trolls come in, but we kick them all out, so don't worry about it. All you've got to do is friend request me and then just block everybody else. It's very, very easy. It's the same idiots every single time. They're getting nowhere, but they just hope they get somebody. So be very, very careful. Come on in, send a friend request to me at Martyn Lucas. Remember, I never send friend requests. The first thing that they'll say is, change your security settings, do this. Come on, guys. I would never even message you, let alone say something stupid like that. So first 5 people, that's it. If you want to be a member on YouTube, there's the link for that. And get yourself sorted out right now. Upgrade to Electrum for all the trades. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to onboard the next 5 people, and that's it. So the reason why I'm trimming off a bit, it's because of Google. That's why I trimmed. Now you understand why I did? I made profit this morning, a lot of money. We don't care about the 160 grand. We're not bothered. The price to earnings ratio is coming down. Everyone for a year will tell you that I have said for a year now that Google is the best value Mag 7 stock to buy. So I'm not worried about it. Warren Buffett isn't worried about it. It can crash 40%. I use all the money I've made from all of this to buy the dip. I couldn't care less. If I get $1 million of Google, I couldn't care less. In fact, that'd be very nice. Right. So let me now onboard the 5 people, and that is it. So I'm going into Discord right now, and let me have a look. I don't have anyone who's done it, so I don't need to do anything. All right, I'm going to give you just a minute. All right, so if you want Discord, you want my trades, you want the one-on-one service, 90% off, $2.99. That's all we charge, just enough to keep bots and trolls out. There is Discord for you right now. You need to verify your username and text because we want to keep it safe and secure. If we get nobody in the next minute, I'll end the stream. I've got to get and do some serious research, and I've got to go and talk to my Discord members this morning about their trades. A lot of people want to know what do we do, what's selling. Well, they already know, but I've got some new trades that I'm about to place as well. It's because of the profits we've already made. All right, so we don't want to just keep holding forever and ever and ever. Anyway, so I don't think anyone's going to. I don't think anyone's done it yet. It takes a moment to do it. So if anyone is doing it, maybe because it takes doesn't it take 10 minutes to go through? I should probably wait 10 minutes. I think it's 10 minutes to go through security. So I'm probably going to wait. We'll do a countdown of 10 minutes because if people do it, then I end the stream. It's kind of defeated the object. I said I'll onboard 5 people. That's it. And accept friend requests from 5 people. There's none at the moment. So I'm gonna count down, like 9 minutes to go. All right. And if we don't get any, then I'll end the stream. Right. Let me go to comments and questions now. While you're all doing that, let me have a quick look at the overall position. There's my trades. We don't want to show my trades. 12 grand. Yeah, we don't want to show that. So let's go to comments and questions. Now, what we do is comments and questions. We answer everybody. No one gets left behind. No one's ignored. But of course, we turn members on. It's only a couple of bucks to be a member. That way, we're not speaking to idiots, right? We don't want to be doing that. Let me go to members only. Oh, by the way, in case you're wondering, I thought you got banned. You know what's been going on. Investigation's been going on, but we've got friends in high places and we're doing all right. We are taking it all on. There's lots of people who are trying to be idiots and we're getting on with it and we're sorting it and we'll update you when we have more information, okay? So we're still here, so don't worry about that. Right, members only. If you've done a question or a comment, please repeat it now and we'll answer it. Anything for Electrum on YouTube? Oh, yes, absolutely. What do you get as an Electrum member? As an Electrum member, you get members-only live streams, members-only videos, 2 Electrum live streams a week when we do analysis for you. We'll do it now. We'll do it now. We'll do it now. We will go to an Electrum members only event right now. And I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do a little gift. We'll go to Electrum members right now and we'll do 2 free stock analysis. First come, first serve for free. We do 2 events a week for Electrum. So you can pick a stock. You can go Tesla, Microsoft, and I will do an analysis for you. I will show you who's buying on the inside, who's selling on the inside, the balance sheet, the margin, the profit, the intrinsic value, what the value is. Is it a buy, sell, or hold? The first 2 people in the Electrum event in a couple of seconds when I've answered all the questions. How about that? That's completely free. You don't pay for the service, just if you are an Electrum member. All the analysis is for free, okay? So we'll do that right now. Plus, you get as Electrum on the community page on the post, you see all my trades. You get the same trades that Discord get. The difference between Discord and YouTube is Discord. It's separate. They get the trades like you do, but they don't get all the YouTube stuff. That's YouTube. They get this private video call. That's what they get. They get the community, they get the trades, and the daily video calls, one-on-one service, that kind of stuff. All right? So that's what you'll get in a second. So that's what Electrum's going to get. We'll do it in a minute. How do you get access to trades on YouTube? I've just told you. In Discord, or in the Discord channels, or as a subscriber, or you get them as Electrum members on the community post in YouTube. Will you be able to tell us on Discord when you'll be taking? Yes, I share all my trades. We just don't do it publicly, just Discord and Electrum. You see all my trades. I tell you live. I do live video calls and everything. Let's go, says Widget. Is the investigation over? No, it's still going on.
I can't believe
it's
this.
still going on. I'll update you when it's finished. Don't worry.
Sharpshooter 1975 has become a member.
No, it's still going on. The idiots just don't stop, but it's okay because secretly we're going to be fine. All right. Discordians, pump the Discord channel or pump the Discord channel. There we go. When was the last one? When was the last one, Liz? I shared it on Discord this morning and Electrum. What was going on with YouTube and you guys? What was it all about? I can't share any more information yet until we've completed it. See you in the pub later. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yay, Electrum event. Martyn, have you received my message on Discord? Mike Taggart, have I received your message on Discord? I don't know who you are. You probably have a different name. You see, people don't realise that, I mean, they have different names everywhere, and I'm supposed to know. Are you Defender?
I can't believe
Defender
this.
Dope Boy. I've just had a message from Defender Dope Boy.
4116 has become a member.
You're asking me what? Satoshi is Epstein. No, I told you who Satoshi is. I can't answer. I've already told you who Satoshi is. But is that you? I don't know.
I can't believe this.
Different names. No idea.
Tyler 1328 has become a member.
Right. If you are a gold member, my God, look at this. If you are a gold member, oh, we're too busy here. So it is, yeah. Michael Taggart on Discord. Okay, no, I haven't got a message from you. It's probably because you're not a. It's probably because you're not a member, a Discord member. You can't send me messages or friend request me if you're not a Discord member. All right. I don't want to waste my time doing this, but I will. Michael Taggart. If I go into Michael Taggart on Discord, Michael, how do you spell that? Michael Taggart. Oh, Evan Carmichael. Ban. Yeah, got someone to pretend to be Evan Carmichael. And I know who you are. Ban. There you go. Bloody idiot. So Michael Taggart, no, I don't have your message. Oh, I see you, but no. It's because you're a non-member. You've already been kicked from the server. We get people come in, troll and bot and spam. We don't, no. You've got to be a Discord member. It's $2.99 a month. So no, I don't respond or see any comments or stuff like that. So that's the answer to that. Who was Satoshi? I missed that one. I'm not going to repeat it here today. Good morning. Go back and watch the Epstein Files video I did. If you missed all of that. If you missed all that, I'll give it to you now. All right. Okay. We've got a few idiots in Discord. Let me just get ban all of those. Just bear with me a second. We're going to go to members only for Discord. Electrum members. Let me just get rid of the idiots. Okay, we're taking care of that. I've just won my first legal battle on YouTube as well. There was someone who repeatedly kept using my logo. Because on Discord you can have the same logo. You can just copy the picture and you can copy the display name, Martyn Lucas. But when you use but you can't use the @Martyn. The username's only one on Discord. Can be called @Martyn Lucas. You can be @Martyn Lucas 123, right? But I just won my first legal battle. Someone decided to repeatedly use my logo. And I took legal action and I've just won $10,000 from compensation. Yeah. If you do that and you keep doing it, I'll just sue you and I will. And I win. And we've got a president now. So anyone who decides to use my logo and try to scam people, you just give me free money. So keep doing it as far as I'm concerned. I think it's great. I try to warn people, but they don't listen. And now we've got a president now, statue already laid out. So if you do it, boom, $10,000. I just made it a round number. I thought it was fun. The court asked, what do you want as compensation? I said 10 grand. 10 every time they steal the logo and they pretend to be me, just hit them with 10 grand. You know you can get more than that. I said, no, 10 grand. Just keep doing it over. There's loads of them. Every day there's like 10. So anyway, that's a bit of fun. So stop being a bloody idiot, basically. Right. So who just became a gold member? So Mike Mealy, as a gold member on YouTube, you can book a 1-hour call with me every month, a private video call. Would you like to book it now? Is Mike Mealy still here? It's not financial advice. It's just a chat. Mike Mealy, are you here? Are you here? So Mike Mealy, are you here? If you are, I can book you in a spot with me right now. If not, I will speak to you later. Someone says, I can't assign this phone. It's an account error. If you can't verify your phone number, it's because you set up an account on Discord before, you may have forgotten about it, and you can't have 2 accounts with the same phone number. It's for security. So you need to go back, delete the other one, or update it, or whatever. People often say, I can't verify my account. It's because they've gone in and they've created an account, whether it was banned, blocked, scammed, whatever it is. They've now trying to do another one, and you can't. You've already got one. So go and find your old one, log in with that one, use that one, delete that one, or whatever you want to do. But that's the reason why most people go, I can't do it. All right. So Mike Mealy, yes, you would like to book a spot with me, right? As a gold member, you get 1-hour call a month. Don't forget, you get all Electrum as well. So you're basically paying about $15 to get my time for an hour. My time is worth about $600 to $700 an hour. That's what I earn per hour. That's my time. I give it to gold members. It's a service. We're always trying to help people, right? So I can book you in I've got a gold member. I've got Jesse. Jesse's calling me in 45 minutes, one of my gold members. I could do you straight after Jesse if you'd like. Yeah, get it done. Do you want to go today at 11 a.m. Central? If that works for you, I'll book you in right after Jesse. I've got Jesse who's calling me today. Oh, hello. What's all this? We've got a star guest. Does that work for you, Mike Mealy?
Chico Vallejo tipped $200 through Super Chat. If I am one of your electromagnetic members, how do I access your private trades? Cheers and blessings from sunny Playa del Carmen.
Oh, I like Playa del Carmen. Nice. Got to head off to work. So let's do it. We can do it on Monday, February the 9th, straight after the opening bell. Does that work? What about Monday? Yep, Monday, 10 a.m. Central. Does that work? Let's book it in now. What's his name? Mike Mealy. Mike Gold. Monday, 10 a.m. Does that work? 10 a.m. Central Time? Mike Mealy. So Monday, Mike, 10 a.m. Yeah, just wait for Mike to say yes. If you are 5 minutes late, you lose the appointment for that month. That's it. Okay? That's it. Great. Right, I'll give you the link right now. Here's the link you need. It's the video call link we use on the show, but you'll be able just to use this. All right, here we go. There you go. There it is. Have you got that? Copy and paste that. So use that 10 a.m. Central Time, Central Standard Time, Dallas time, right? On Monday, on Monday, the 9th of February, 10 a.m., so that's 45 minutes from now. If you are 2 minutes late, really. If you're 2 minutes late, you can call in earlier and be ready. But if you're 2 minutes late, you will move the link. You will move the spot. You will lose it. This month, it'll be gone. There's no way I can just reschedule it or whatever. You get that spot. My time, I'm fully booked all the time. I'm having to move things to be able to do these gold calls. So you've really got to be on it. Okay? Okay, so there you go, booked in. Someone asked me about Electrum. Right, we're going to go Electrum now for very quickly. I'll do hopefully 2 before my call at 10 o'clock in 40 minutes. So when you go on to YouTube, if you are a member, you will, if you are an Electrum member, visit community or posts. Either one, community or post, post or community. Let's click post today, whatever. You will see all my posts. Now, if you are an Electrum member, you will see the Electrum post. It will be in green, the same way as it was on Discord. Green for money. You're making money, right? So down here will be the Electrum posts. If you're not an Electrum member, see, there's one there, look, members only. Okay, so there's one of my trades. That's done now. We can show you. Google trim, 847 profit on that one lot. Boom, there it is. I'm sharing you. Look, boom, there's the trade. I even gave you all the images. Look at this. Look. How about this? All the proof, all the evidence, all the numbers, all the facts, why, the wheres, the what fors, and all the rest of it. That's how it works. Okay, that's what you get. And by the way, if anyone didn't realise, Who Dares Wins, this is the SAS, Special Air Service. They train the SEALs. You know what this is all about, right? Who Dares Wins. As long as you know what you're doing, you're not just... I just do anything. I mean, that's stupid. All right. Okay, so there you go. Now, that's how that works. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to switch to Electrum members and upwards. Have I got time to do general members first? Yes, I have. Yeah. Oh, my God. Only just. I'm going to run out of time. So what we're going to do is we'll do members only. All members now. So let me do this now. I've got to be quick because I got an appointment with a gold member in 40 minutes. Special guest, right? So let me end my redirect, turn that off. We're not going to extra. Right, here we go. We're going to go to an all members event for a couple of minutes to show you how it works. And then we'll go to a Electrum members event for the, I might only have time to do one fundamental stock analysis, right? So let me do that now. Members only live stream, all members, 5 minutes, schedule. You'll see it at the top, scheduled now. There it is. It's counting down. If you want to be a member, all members will get this experience. It will automatically take you there. So what I'm going to do now is I've got to go and reset this. Come on. Got to be nice and quick. Move. Keep moving. Right, here we go. There should be, there's the event. Now, I'm going to give you the link because some people say, oh, I can't see it or it doesn't pop up for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize it a little bit. I'm going to put it in the upcoming playlist.
I can't believe this.
I can believe it.
At Vogel Philip 5670 has become a member.
Thank you very much. So, visibility, category, playlist, here we go. So, members only. Upcoming members only on the homepage of the channel so everyone gets notified of it. And yes. By the way, if you don't want to see ads, just go YouTube Premium and you don't see any ads anymore. There you go. That's how you fix it. Get all the experience, never see an ad. YouTube Premium, best investment. I've got it on because then you can see any channel with no ads. And you get more. You can rewind things, fast forward, get higher quality. I mean, it's brilliant. Right, there's that. That's now set. Okie dokie. Upcoming live streams. There you go. So on the homepage now, you will see in 3 minutes time, upcoming members only, all members, not Electrum members, all members. All right. Where we're going right next. Okay. So you can see it on the homepage. So I'll click on it. I'll give you all the link because some people go, it didn't work for me. My phone's old and doesn't work and stuff like that. So what I do is I give everybody the link anyway. If you did join Discord, I will onboard you in the members show because everyone's going to be a member, right? You wouldn't be doing it otherwise, would you? So live next, live members Members only. Okay, there you go. Pin to the top. That way, if it doesn't work for you, it will work for you. That makes sense? Okay, there we go. Quick look on Discord. Did I get anybody join this morning? No. Okay, perfect. Update my security because we've got a few idiots messing around. Boom, that's it. Blocks all those. Yeah, we didn't get anyone join this morning. That's fine. So back to the event. Right, starts in 1 minute. In 1 minute, we're going to be there. So we're about to end the stream here in 1 minute, 50 seconds. We're going to go over first come, first serve. I will do one analysis for you. No, I won't. Sorry, it's members only. It's just general members. Then we go to Electrum members where I do it. One analysis, and then I've got to go and do a gold member. Jesse is joining me in 35 minutes for his monthly one-on-one call as a gold member. So let's have a look. Let's answer the question. Sorry, I've closed at 6 p.m. What's the time? 1 minute to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We should let new members do their two-stop. We should let new members. That'd be quite nice. I've got no ads. That's right. You don't get any ads. I love YouTube Premium too. Yeah, it's great. We still earn money as creators because we've got to earn money, right? But you don't see any ads. It's brilliant. You can share your YouTube Premium membership for the few members of your family. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Absolutely right. Everyone should do it. If you're a serious investor and you want to watch everything without without interruption, that's how you do it, right? I mean, makes sense, right? 35 seconds. Okay, we're going to go live there now. It'll automatically take you there. There might be a minute just to set it all up, but it should work pretty good. Okay, so stand by. We're about to end this live stream. Thanks for joining us. If you want to be a member, a couple of bucks, that's all it is. Price never goes up. No inflation. We're always adding more services. I make money investing. I don't need to make money out of you on memberships. I'm here to help people. I could, but I don't. All right. Okay. Are you ready? Let's go over there right now. See you there right now. Ta-ra.